Hey there, I'm Hugo Ferreira from TechCornerTV, and today is Monday, so we have another mailbag day in our hands. Join us in the unboxing of those packages, and if you are new here, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified every time we have new videos. So right now, it's unbox time. We will start with this one. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so we have here another fake battery for our Canon M50. This one uses only the battery and the cable. We received some days ago another one, but this one, it's a backup. Yeah. It comes with a cable that can scratch. Okay, so this one is done. Let's see what else we have here. Okay, just a moment. So right now it says PC repair tools. Let's see. Okay, so this is solder paste for SMD mounting. Real life solder paste. Let's see if we can get a focus here. Come on, you can do it. Yep. Okay, so it says it melts at 183 degrees Celsius. And I have two of them. It comes also with a needle for application. And well, I also have here another one. It's not a syringe. This one, yeah. This one. I don't see what is the temperature. Maybe it's my fault. But anyway, so it's arriving stuff for SMD projects. We already bought the microscope and have a lot of things to do. Let's move on. We have here a small one. Adapter cards. Okay. Next. So this is a PCX riser card. It's for one of our servers. It's just a riser card for a super micro server that we have. Nothing special. Small factor to 16 bits, 8 to 16, I believe. Connectors again. Let's see what this time. those are connector cables. So yeah, let me see if I can open this without breaking the cables. So cutting the cables. Okay, so it's for USB Type A for 3.2, I believe, 2.3 jack connector, and yeah, it's 4 units. I believe this is for our projectors, also can be connected, for example, to a power unit. I don't know really right now. I have to see why I bought these cables, and 4 of them. We have also Eletrónica projectors that might use this. Yeah, I have to check right now. I don't know. Okay, so it says nothing. Not that it matters, because the description normally it will not match the contents. So okay, so over here it seems we have some more photography equipment. These are tripod bags, and they seem to be a fairly good quality. The texture, it's good. It's plastic inside, and those are for tripods, transport and storage, so we can get rid of the box where they came from. It will be better start here. Yeah. We are still waiting for more of those bags. I ordered more of those bags. Right now it arrived 2 of them, and yeah, also good. Let me put this away, and yeah, no description. Okay, so let me open this and show you what's in here. This is a very simple USB 3 controller to expand the ports on a computer that we have here on the office, and be able to connect more things to the computer. Yeah, it's quite simple. It was very accessible. I don't know right now the price, but I will put the price on the connection. USB 3, 4 ports. It comes with a USB drivers disc. I don't know who still uses CD drivers. We have a cable to power the USB cables, the USB ports, and another cable connecting to the old format, the power supply, old format sockets. Okay, some more stuff for us here. I don't think I will review this. Anyway, Okay, so we have another one. It says data cables. I think we can open like this. Okay, so we have here another USB 3.0 to, I don't know, let's see, let's open it and see. Oh, this is a USB 3 extension. Yeah, male to female, USB-A. The cable, it's really thin. I have here some extensions where the cable it's much more thick. Well, but if it's only plastic, it doesn't matter. What it matters is the conductors. So maybe it's a good one. The cable is from Kijim. Never heard of it, but it seems okay. It seems okay. Yeah. Today we had a lot of cables. I don't know. We need electronics components also. We have here a last one. I think I know what this one is. It says power adapter, but I'm not expecting power adapters. And for the size of the box, yeah. Okay, so this is a 4-way 4-channel battery charger. The F970 batteries and 960 for cameras and for projectors and everything else. This seems to be used. Yeah, really. This seems to be used. I don't know if you can see, but the screen is already all scratched. Okay, this will have, without any doubt, a dispute. I don't know what is going on with these people. Why they do this. I had a similar problem with our projectors in Europe, but this screen, it's all scratched. Let me see if I can take this. Yeah, maybe this is only the protection. I don't know. Well, it comes with a cable, European version. And let's test it. Let's test it. I already have here some batteries, because before opening it, let me take this. We will connect this and we'll test it right now. Okay, so I have here 4 batteries. Each of our newer projectors uses 2 batteries of this. Well, it seems to be working okay. Let me take this out. Well, it has protective, yeah. Okay, I will not complain, but this is used articles. I don't know why they do this. And yeah, right now it is better. And since we have 6 of these batteries to work with, we bought this one and another one of 2 channels, so we can charge every battery at the same time. And well, in a better way than the chargers that come with the batteries, that are very poor chargers. Let me show you already. The chargers that come with the batteries are those chargers. Well, it has a cable to connect to the car, the socket, the light socket in the car. But we have these chargers, a newer charger, but yeah, it doesn't have the display. We don't know how much charge we have on each battery when we are charging, how much time it will take to get the full charge and everything else. It just has a green and red light. It's quite limitative, and I decided to buy this one so we can charge the batteries well at the same time. Still waiting for the 2-channel version. By this time it should be here already, but it doesn't arrive yet. Okay, so for today it's all I have. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified every time we have new videos. Most of these articles will be reviewed on our 2 channels other than Mailbag channel, the TechCornerTV reviews and tips channel, where this article will be reviewed full and completely, and the TechCorner Electronics projects and tutorials channel. Give a look in those channels, you probably will find something you like. And that's it. I hope you like it. If you like it, give a thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Cheers.